Okay, this is going to be quite a quick video, but it's going to be a really important one. You're going to have to learn something in your own time here and in your own way, but it's really important that you learn these things. Now, everyone, I hope, can count. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can keep going for quite a while. I also think that most of us would be able to count up in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can probably count up in 5s, 5, 10, 15. These things should come pretty naturally to you. I'm going to ask you to come up with a way to count up in square numbers. Okay, so a square number is a number that comes from a number multiplied by itself. For example, one square number would be 2 times 2. Now, in this case, the square number is 4. Now, what's the next square number? 3 times 3. That's 9. Okay, if we move through here, 4 times 4, that's 16. Now, instead of writing 4 times 4 and 5 times 5 and 6 times 6, it's probably easier to just write 5 squared. That means the same thing. 4 times 4 and 5 times 5 or 5 squared, they're identical. Alright, so 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is equal to 100. Really important that we memorise these 10 numbers at the very least. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Practice it in the shower, practice it when you're on the bus, practice it for the next 24 hours. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. You're really going to need these if you're going to do some Surd work in the next week or so. You should be able to go jump to these pretty quickly. If I talk to you in class tomorrow or the next day, I should be able to say, what's 7 squared? And you'll say 49. I should be able to say, what's 81? And you'll be able to say, oh, that's 9 squared. You should be able to jump to these really quickly. Without it, you're going to find the next stuff we do really difficult. Practice.